Hi everyone, I'm Kay. Today I'm going to show you how to use the skincare products of the Luminesce. After I have shown you already how to wash your face with the Luminesce Youth Restoring Cleanser, after you wash your face, leave some water still on your face so that you can apply the serum. So this is the Luminesce Cellular Rejuvenation Serum, and this is how I apply. I shake the bottle a little bit to activate the ingredient. Then I palm it into my fingertips, gently rub it. Then I apply into my cheek, my forehead and my chin, and my neck. Then using the upward sweeping motion to let the serum go deep into your skin. Okay? Then let the serum completely absorb into your skin for 10-20 seconds. And after using the serum, if it's a daytime, we're gonna use Luminesce Daily Moisturizing Complex. And how to use? I apply into my fingertips again. Rub it gently. Then I apply into my cheek, my forehead and cheek, and my neck. Then the same, using our sweeping motion to apply the skin deeply into your skin. Then after apply, you wait a little bit for the moisturizing to completely absorb into your skin, and then you're ready for your daily makeup. And for the nighttime, after the serum in the nighttime, you follow with Luminesce Night Advanced Repair. How to use the product is the same way with the daily moisturizing. The difference is you just need to use the spatula to apply the cream into your fingerprint. Do not use your finger. How to use? Open this and use a spatula. Take the cream, put in your fingertips, rub it, and use the same way with the daily cream. Just apply into your cheek, your forehead and chin, and then your neck. Again, using the upward sweeping motion to apply the cream into your skin. Wait till it's completely absorbed into your skin. And now you are ready to have your beautiful sleep. Thank you for watching.